step into the realm of innovation and progress in the world of construction. Today, we invite you to join us on an exciting journey through the most recent advancements and ingenious solutions that are transforming the way we build. From state-of-the-art insulation systems to modular architectural marvels, we'll explore the groundbreaking technologies that are redefining the construction landscape. These innovations are not just enhancing efficiency and sustainability, but also pushing the boundaries of what is possible in modern construction. So, sit back and immerse yourself in this exploration of the future of building, where technology and creativity converge to shape a new era of construction. Certainteed BIB's insulation system. BIB's insulation system stands out as a pioneering solution for thermal and acoustic insulation in construction. Through a blend of fabric and fiberglass, it adeptly fills wall voids, delivering unmatched thermal performance and sound absorption. Its non-flammable, moisture-resistant, and corrosion-resistant characteristics guarantee longevity and durability, rendering it perfect for diverse construction endeavors. Beyond merely enhancing comfort levels, Certainteed BIB's insulation system significantly curtails energy expenses, aligning with sustainability objectives within the construction sector. This system exemplifies innovation, reliability, and efficiency, setting a new standard for insulation solutions in modern construction practices. Eco-Cocon. In a modern retelling of the classic tale, one of the three little pigs ventured beyond folklore to create Eco-Cocon blocks. These blocks, although real, embody the durability and resilience of the fictional sturdy straw house. Comprising a mixture of straw, wood, and membrane, the patented installation technology is the secret sauce behind their strength. Compressed to 120 kilograms per cubic meter, these blocks, with a standard thickness of 40 centimeters, can facilitate the construction of buildings up to 6 stories high. Offering protection from the elements and a consistent microclimate, Eco-Cocon blocks redefine sustainable construction. GMC Solutions. Modular Extension. Modular extension introduces a flexible and efficient approach to building expansion. With customizable modules and advanced insulation layers, it streamlines the construction process while maximizing energy efficiency. Rapid installation and minimal waste generation make it a sustainable solution for residential and commercial projects. Modular extension offers builders the flexibility to meet project demands while ensuring high-quality construction and reduced environmental impact. Detachable Container House. Detachable container houses offer versatile solutions, ranging from guard stations to temporary sleeping quarters. In Germany, Carad's container house played a crucial role in coronavirus testing facilities. While standard set and 12-meter containers are prevalent, more advanced options are emerging. K-Home's compact design packs details for 11 houses into a 6-meter container, showcasing efficiency. Meanwhile, Senior Prefab Technologies quick-build houses, featuring sandwich panels, boast rapid assembly in just 24 hours. These innovations exemplify the evolving landscape of container housing, providing efficient and adaptable solutions for various applications. Madam Wall and Junu Demountable Wall epitomize the future of interior design, offering a versatile array of solutions tailored to modern spatial needs. Renowned for their swift installation and customizable configurations, these modular systems empower architects and designers to reimagine spaces with unparalleled ease and precision. From seamlessly creating new rooms to effortlessly dividing existing areas, they redefine the boundaries of interior design, fostering environments that are dynamic, adaptable, and conducive to creativity. With their transformative potential, Madam Wall and Junu Demountable Wall pave the way for a new era of living and working spaces that effortlessly evolve with the needs of their occupants. Zipwall R. Dust Barrier. Zipwall Dust Barrier is a game-changer in maintaining cleanliness and efficiency on construction sites. With its quick setup and adjustable poles, it creates a dust-free work environment, minimizing cleanup time and ensuring a safe working environment. The use of eco-friendly fabric curtains adds to its appeal, providing a sustainable alternative to traditional plastic barriers. Zip-wall dust barrier empowers contractors to tackle renovation and construction projects with confidence, knowing they can maintain a clean and organized workspace throughout the process. ISOL Cupolex. ISOL Cupolex presents a groundbreaking approach to structural support and efficiency in flooring systems. Through the utilization of polymer formwork modules and cutting-edge concrete pouring methods, it facilitates the creation of well-ventilated floors that seamlessly accommodate utilities and services. Its lightweight construction not only reduces structural load, but also accelerates construction timelines, delivering cost-effective and sustainable solutions for builders. Beyond enhancing the functionality of spaces, ISOL Cupolex embodies environmental responsibility by minimizing material usage and waste generation. With its innovative design and eco-conscious approach, ISOL Cupolex sets a new standard for modern construction practices, ensuring both practicality and sustainability in every project. Delta Beam. Delta Beam offers unmatched strength and versatility in structural support. Crafted from high-quality steel and prefabricated to perfection, it enables builders to create durable and stable constructions of any scale. Its seamless integration with composite beams and precise height adjustments make it a reliable choice for architectural designs. Delta Beam pushes the boundaries of structural engineering, providing architects with the freedom to innovate and create structures that stand the test of time. Mr. PEX Systems. The installation of Mr. PEX Systems has brought relief to this Manhattan dealership, eliminating the hassle of snow accumulation on its roof. Stretching approximately 11 kilometers, the system's pipes circulate a mixture of water and glycol, efficiently melting snow and ice. Control over the system is seamlessly managed by a computer, which monitors precipitation and roof temperature. The utilization of recovery systems from local cogeneration plants further enhances the efficiency of the solution. With last year's record-breaking snowfall in California, one can't help but wonder about the demand for Mr. PEX systems in that region. AIS Contraflex Jackets. AIS Contraflex jackets set a new standard for insulation performance in construction. With a remarkable 95% reduction in energy losses and rapid installation capabilities, they deliver unparalleled efficiency and cost-effectiveness. The inclusion of a comprehensive energy assessment program enables clients to optimize energy usage and reduce environmental impact further. AIS Contraflex jackets embody innovation and sustainability, providing a comprehensive solution for thermal insulation needs in modern construction projects. S7 Cedar Impressions. S7 Cedar Impressions seamlessly blends natural beauty with exceptional durability in exterior design. Leveraging innovative coatings and paint blends, it authentically replicates the aged wood aesthetic, infusing structures with character and charm. With its robustness and backed by a limited lifetime warranty, it stands as a dependable choice for homeowners prioritizing both style and sustainability. S7 Cedar Impression elevates the visual appeal of buildings while championing environmental responsibility, thanks to its enduring and low-maintenance design. Deco Cladding. Deco Cladding presents a transformative system that turns decorative concrete into a lightweight solution, revolutionizing panel creation without the need for extensive structural modifications. Available in diverse sizes, including panels measuring 2.4 meters in length, they boast easy installation through simple nail application. Offering a spectrum of colors and introducing captivating 3D textures, these panels deliver versatility without compromising on space. With a standard thickness of 1.3 centimeters, they emerge as the perfect choice for smaller apartments, seeking both aesthetic appeal and practicality. Peri-up cladding. Perry-up cladding steps forward as a protective shield for scaffolding, prioritizing worker safety while minimizing environmental impact. With robust resistance against fire and break-ins, these panels, when paired with specialized tarping, can serve dual purposes, acting as massive advertising banners as well. Notably, the company offers scaffolding services, showcasing a holistic business approach dedicated to comprehensive solutions. IDS GeoRadar See-Through. The IDS GeoRadar See-Through XS stands as a portable GPR scanner, indispensable in locating underground infrastructure and averting potential damage during construction. Weighing a mere 450 grams, it penetrates up to a meter deep, generating real-time 3D images on a tablet interface. With comprehensive scan reports, complete with images and charts, presentations during client meetings are elevated, fostering enhanced project communication and efficiency. MER4R Compact. MER4R stands out as a versatile and efficient solution in the construction industry, designed to simplify both transport and installation. This innovative system features pieces exceeding 3 meters in length, making them exceptionally easy to handle and maneuver on-site. Recognizing potential limitations with fixed lengths, MER4 introduces a 30-meter roll, significantly enhancing flexibility and efficiency during application. Constructed from durable stainless steel, MER4 Compact is available in versions tailored for both interior and exterior uses, ensuring broad adaptability. Whether for masonry, facades, or other structural needs, Compact guarantees long-lasting performance across diverse conditions. This robust system reinforces the integrity of various building projects with ease and reliability, providing essential structural support while streamlining the construction process. Stone-strong blocks. Stone-strong blocks epitomize unparalleled durability and stability in construction, meticulously engineered to endure the test of time. Available in 2 variants, these blocks range in weight from 726 to 2,122 kilograms, making them versatile and adaptable for a myriad of applications. Whether for reinforcing banks or widening roadways, stone-strong blocks are renowned for their robustness and reliability. Their innovative design enables the construction of taller walls without the necessity for supplementary support, positioning them as the preferred choice for projects demanding enduring structural integrity. With stone-strong blocks, builders can confidently erect long-lasting structures that remain resilient and steadfast against the forces of nature, ensuring ultimate peace of mind and structural reliability for years to come. Concrete Bag Retaining Wall. The concrete bag retaining wall emerges as the final product in our selection, representing a challenging yet attainable construction method. Each cement bag weighs around 50 kilograms, requiring proper equipment and assistance for successful implementation. Online resources provide valuable guidance throughout the construction process, ensuring each step is meticulously followed. The curing phase, which can span up to 2 days, is crucial for achieving optimal durability. Builders have the option of self-removing the bags after curing or allowing natural degradation over time. The end result is a resilient and cost-effective retaining wall solution, offering significant stability and longevity. And there you have it, a fascinating glimpse into the future landscape of construction. These revolutionary technologies, from eco-friendly materials to advanced structural support systems, are not just shaping the way we build, they are paving the way toward a more sustainable and efficient future. As we continue to explore and adopt these innovations, the construction industry will undoubtedly evolve, setting new standards and breaking new ground. Stay tuned for more insights and updates as we delve deeper into the latest trends and discoveries in upcoming videos. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed about all the latest developments. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration into the future of construction.